Well, it's gonna be the last time she has no muffler. That's for sure. Let's see if we give her one more fire first. Pretty loud. 64 decibels at idle. And right about there is like 105. So this shit's way too loud. So there's the muffler, right? Got it here with a cat inside of it. And here's, hold on, I need the light. There we go. Here's kind of my clamp setup. I was just gonna clamp it back into place, but take a look, ski. Stick it in there. There. That's the direction it's supposed to go. However, that's not good. Touching the tire. So you see the ends cut off here. What I'm gonna do is spin it around like that. It's gonna be a little weird. It's not hanging low compared to everything, so it's fine. And I can clamp that into place. And to get this gap finished off from my back bumper, start prepping my old straight pipe here, nice and clean on one end. You already saw it here. A little cleaned up on this end. I'm gonna weld it together. It's just gonna look good. Alright, I got the welder set up. I got my OSHA approved welding table. Already made a few tacks here. It's looking pretty good. I got 3 kind of triangulated around here, so it shouldn't twist. It looks pretty straight from the top down and from the side. So hopefully it should stick out right about here, which will be nice. Alright, not a bad hack job. Good enough to pass a VI. Yeah. Now we just gotta stick it in the car. Look at how the tip is as long as the muffler, damn near. Well, it's in there. It's crooked as shit. But, I mean, it's in there. I mean, I am gonna tie it up a little bit so it can't move very much. But, or so it can't fall down, but I don't think it's gonna fall down. And we got the fucking long ass pipe out the back. Third different sound. I think it's time to drop it and give it a test. Looking at it on the ground, might get some funny looks from the feds. Maybe. Because you just, like, what the fuck is that? Maybe I'll have to trim this back a little bit. Or maybe not. I'll just keep it like that for now. Maybe I'll cut off 4 or 5 inches or so. Let's give it a sound test. So a lot quieter again. That's good. Let's see. Is it leaking out of anywhere? I think that might be something for me to investigate. Hold on. Okay, so it is leaking and blowing out a little bit here, but that's fine. I could just tighten those down. You can see the water shooting out where the exhaust is coming. So I'll deal with that, then this thing should be pretty good. Fucking exhaust leak. Never heard of her. See? No water blowing out. I don't feel anything. Oh, I feel a little bit. Where's that coming from though? Up front maybe? Oh, it's coming from a pinhole in my muffler there. Okay. That's fine. Well, that's not leaking. That's fine then. Perfect.